What's up, everybody? It's here. We are live. TradingWars.com SPY Options Mastery Book, my masterpiece. We are here hanging out today, about to have a good time, guys, and relax and just enjoy all the hard work we've been putting in for the last year, grinding out here, making money, learning to trade SPY, improving. It's all accumulated in this book right here, guys. So this book is live. I wanted to hang out with you guys and do some giveaways and relax. Been going hard for a very, very long time. And I know that some of you did not receive your priority link email because your email provider completely blocked it. So what we're going to do instead here, guys, I'm going to link it over here. And I'm going to link it. Like if you DM me, I'll link you the direct link to pay. Okay. But yeah, I did not expect that to happen, guys. But it's unfortunate. But I guess a lot of the email platforms basically thought it was spam. You know what I mean? So a lot of you guys didn't even get it. So, but anyways, it's all good. You know, we'll get there. So thank you very much for being here, guys. And let's do it. Let's just hang out. Let's do a SPY recap. Let's take some questions. Let's just chill out. And just have a good time. I want to hang out with you guys for a bit. I hope you guys brought your own drinks and stuff. But you know, let's talk about SPY, and let's talk about SPY, right? Let's go ahead and chill out and talk about SPY. Let's go. Blah, 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 blah. What's going on? Pembroke Pines in the house. Mine was in spam folder. Yep. Yeah, a lot of it's going to be in the spam folders, guys. So check it out. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's look at Friday. How's that sound? Let's look at Friday. This is the actual trade that we took on Friday. I still have it on the chart right here. This was the trade that we took. So let's talk about this one and just hang out with you guys while this comes in right here. All right. So first of all, guys, I'm going to hit the replay right here, and then we're going to discuss this. So this is Friday in detail. Let's take our time. Did you guys bring any drinks? Hit me with a 1 if you brought a drink. It could be tea, it could be coffee, it could be whatever. Remember, the SPY Options Mastery book is now live, okay? It's live, it's ready to go. I'm going to post this link right here, okay? I'm posting this right now, guys. So I just sent you guys the link for 10% off, and also just fill in the form, okay? So that's the link for 10% off. If you were a part of the priority list, I just posted the link, okay, for 10% off. I'm really sorry that the emails were rejecting them and stuff, but we'll get there. All right, so let's go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead here and let's do Friday in detail. Hope everybody. Should I get a drink too, guys? What do you think? Should I get a drink, or is it gonna impair my trading skills? What do you guys think? Here we go. So let's talk about this right here. So this was Thursday, right? This was Thursday here, guys. And you can see on Thursday, right? Something that's very important about Thursday, if we look at the daily chart, is we created a outside bar, right? We created an outside bar, okay? So this is what an outside bar looks like on a 5-minute chart. Notice that we broke the previous day's high like this, and then we came back and we broke the previous day's low, right? So that's what we call an outside bar, okay? So outside bar, guys, is really important because the outside bar means that we had a breakout to the top for the bulls, and then we broke out below for the bears. So now we know that both parties are involved, and it sets up a very powerful setup, right? You guys following me? So hit me with a 1 if you're following me. So that's what was happening there going into Friday, okay? Now let me hop into the Discord. I'll show you guys what we did. All right, I'll show you guys right here what we did. Why does my internet feel so bad right now? My internet feels so bad right now, guys. Don't know why. Are we good? All right. So you can see here, guys, this was Friday's trading plan. It's the same chart that you see right now, right here. So this is what we call a trigger trade. So essentially with the outside bar here, guys, what I was looking for is if we broke above 478.67 to go long, and if we broke below 476 to go short. All right. So our short plan was here at 476 and then stop 476.94, target 475.11. All right. So the first bar comes in on the day like this. Boom. Okay. Bam. Beautiful outside bar as well, right off the 5. And as you can see right here, guys, what happened is we got filled right here on this line. So this line is our fill, 476. So we came all the way up here. Remember, our stop is 476.94. So we look like we're getting stopped out. So let me ask you guys, how many of you guys right here would have gotten freaked out and would have thought you got stopped out? Honest question. Hit me with a 1 if you would have freaked out and closed your position right there. Honest, okay? Be honest. Let me go ahead and check the Spectrum internet connection, see what's going on here, guys. Maybe it's streaming it downstairs, potentially. Yeah, the internet is slow, man. Do not like that, guys. Paying so much. I'm paying like the exclusive VIP package for internet, and we're still lagging out here. That's not good. Anyways, so right off the bat there, guys, we start off like that, and it looks like we're going to lose. But the whole point of this, guys, is that we have a plan. So we know that with the trigger trades, we cannot move our stop loss or our target. We have to keep our stop loss and our target where they are because they're on Fibonacci levels. And because they're on Fibonacci levels, guys, I'm not going to go ahead and change those. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and change those at all because based on my back testing, I know where it should be. You know what I mean? I know where my levels need to be in order for them to hold. So what I got to do here, guys, is I think my issue is I need my issue here, guys, is I need to get my charger. All right. So give me a second here. Let me get my charger. Just look at this outside bar right there, right? Real quick. All right. All right, so we got the charger coming. So here we go. So next candle comes in, guys. Bam. Okay. So again, we're still in red. We're looking kind of scared. And then there we go. Boom, flush, right? So we got in here, flushed down, came back, and then we started pushing through. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there's the target being achieved right there. So the whole concept of this trade is, remember, guys, we had a lot of selling on Thursday. So what we're trying to get here is a continuation of that selling on Friday. So right away we get filled. We almost get stopped out. Like we got, let's see what the high was. So 14 cents, basically, no, 8 cents from being stopped out. Then we push through and we hit the target. So really, really powerful play. That's a trigger. We also did take the opening range breakout and on the 3-minute chart, and the opening range breakout, we just got a partial. That was it. We didn't get much after that. We just got a partial. But the moral of the story, guys, is just you have to know your levels, know your patterns, right? Know where your stop loss is, where it's got to be, and always respect your stop loss. Follow your plan at all costs. Okay. All right. So we plugged in now. You guys saw that we're plugged in. Let's go ahead and run the internet test again. Let's see. Hopefully we're back here. Oh, looks like we're having the same problems. Weird. Anyways, but can you guys hear me okay? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me okay. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me okay. And what we're gonna do here now, let me just fast forward on this chart. Boom. There we go. So can you guys hear me all right? Really, really laggy today, man. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. All right. Anyways. Okay, so we went ahead here, guys, and we had the, like I said, the trigger. We hit the target. And then now I'm going to show you some of the fibs, okay? And For anybody that's late, guys, the SPY Options Mastery book is now live. This is what you get: 1 month free in the SPY VIP Discord with your purchase. Trading Words, Nirvana indicator, golden indicators, 50 charts, guys. You get all of these for life, plus my scanners, okay? Really, really, I spent a lot of time on this book. I have my full lotto strategy. I have everything in there ready to rock and roll. And I'm going to link this again right here. If you signed up for the priority list, that you should get a 10% off code sent to your email. But if you didn't get it sent to your email, guys, we have an issue right now going on. For some reason, a lot of the emails are rejecting us. I don't know why, because they know that I'm sending the goods. And because I'm sending the goods, they're trying to reject us. You know what I'm saying, guys? So that's why we got to go ahead and send it out here. So I'm sending the codes to everybody. All right. So hopefully we're good to go there. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right, back here. All right. So now we're going to talk about a few other things that we could have done here. But basically, once we hit that trigger and we hit the target, notice how right around the target, we start to reverse. Okay. Notice that when we come to the target, we start to reverse. And the reason why is this, I'm going to show you. The target is basically a Fibonacci extension of the previous day. See? So this is the magical area. Remember, I've been telling you guys about this, 272, right? 272. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we tag that in and pop for support. So even if you don't want to take that trigger, guys, if you want to trade a strictly reversal strategy, then you can go ahead, guys, and you can take these orders at these fibs. And for example, you can do a limit order, or when you can wait for a setup. So for example, we have a hammer, we have an outside bar, and then we have an inside bar. So there's a lot of, there's a lot of different confirmations on this level to make you have better access into it. Okay. So that was Friday. Let's go ahead and do a giveaway right now. Who's ready for a giveaway? Hit me with a 3 if you're ready for a giveaway. And just to show you guys here, we have a section on the fibs right here. This is the Fibonacci section in the book. All right. So I did it all for the fibs for you guys in the book. So please, guys, if you like what I do, guys, if I add value to you, if I've helped you in your trading, help me, support me with this book. I kept it very cheap, guys. Trust me, $99 for the book, and you get 1 month for free, and the indicators and the scanners. That's a really, really good deal, guys. Trust me, that's a very good deal. So help support me. I'll support you. Let's do a giveaway right now. So what we're gonna do for the giveaway, let's go ahead and go to Twitter. Let's find the original giveaway post. So I'm going to be looking at many, many different posts because I did a few of them. So let's just take one from here. All right. So what we're going to do here now is pick a number between 1 and 200. Right now, pick a number between 1 and 200 quickly. The first number I see is the one that we're going to pick. Pick a number between 1 and 200. What do you guys have? What do you guys have? And if anybody wins the giveaway that already purchased a copy of the book, you will get a refund. Okay. So I see the first number I saw was 35. All right. So let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. Mind Vault Technology with the winner of the first giveaway book. Okay, Mind Vault Technology. All right, brother. Whoever you are, DM me on Twitter and I will get you. I'll hook you up with your free copy of the SPY Options Mastery book. Thank you for playing along. We're going to be doing more of these throughout the stream. Everybody just take a quick drink with me, whether you're drinking water, you're drinking orange juice, whether you're drinking alcohol, whatever it is. Let's take a quick drink right here and then we'll get back to the charts. All right. So here we go, guys. So you guys good right now? Everybody's good? Right? The giveaway is on multiple things: YouTube, Twitter. There's a forum. I'm going to be picking from different places. Okay, this is not even the giveaway stream. This is not the giveaway stream. This is just part one. The only reason, guys, I am doing this stream is because we had all the mix up with the 10% off link. So we had all that mix up with it. But anyways, let's go and let's go to a bigger time frame. Let's talk about swing trading. Let's go to the monthly. Beautiful. So this is one of the charts that I used in my book, right? But let's go ahead in here and just look at this, okay? So there's a few strategies that I like trading with SPY on the monthly chart, all right? And the last signal that we had on the monthly chart was this outside bar. So this outside bar right here, okay, is a winner, right? So we broke above, we hit targets. Let me show you how I do it. So we have another outside bar for December. These outside bars are very powerful on SPY, guys. So this is how you can swing. You don't have to look at the intraday. You can just relax, right? You don't have to look at the intraday at all. But if we take this was the last one, this monthly outside bar. We take a Fibonacci from the low to the high, okay? Like this. Okay, we get involved when it breaks, right? We get involved when it breaks. That's a W, okay? And now we have the same thing here. So we have this outside bar that's forming right now. That's already formed. So going into next week, guys, this is going to be a very powerful range right here from this high to this low. Let's go down to the daily and look at this. So there's the range of the outside bar. We broke the low, we broke the high. So this range is very key because if we just look back on SPY on the monthly, we can see that when we have outside bars, generally we have good moves, right? Sometimes we have double outside bars like we did here. So look at this pattern here, guys. We had a double outside bar in 2019 of June, and that popped. And then we had a double outside bar right here in October. That one popped as well. Literally, all we're trying to do is repeat the patterns over and over and over and over again. And if you check this out here, guys, I have a section in the book for swing trading right here. Okay. You guys want to read it together? Or is that too much? Hit me with a 1 if you want to read it together. Hit me with a 1 real quick if you want to read that together. Guys, the book is live, game changing. It has my lotto strategy. It has 1 month free in SPY. It has all my indicators, all my scanners for life. Okay, NWO for life, guys. That's how we do it. So hit me with a 1 if you want to read that section together. If not, we'll just keep going through the charts. All right, I see the 1s. All right. So here we go. All of my swing trades on SPY start off first with the Trading Wars trading pattern on a higher time frame. Specifically, I'm looking for a Holy Grail, Nirvana, inside, outside, or double inside bar pattern to initiate a swing trade and to provide me with a precondition. This precondition sets the stage and gives us actionable setups that can be reliably traded with great risk to reward parameters. From this point, we look for drill down entries such as trigger fractals, orbs, and Fibonacci. And the timeframes that I scan for these patterns include, so I have the daily chart, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4, weekly, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, monthly, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. So the main difference between swing and day trading is the duration of the trade and risk exposure. Swing trades are derived from higher timeframes, and as such, they can last from a few days to a few weeks/months. The simplest way to enter these trades are to use the trigger method above or below the desired pattern. Specifically for option trading, I tend to take full risk exposure on SPY swings. This means whatever premiums I'm putting into the trade, I'm willing to go to zero. Since we're also taking day trades, this provides a great balance of playing for bigger picture moves as well as quick intraday scalps on the lower timeframes. My swing trades are primarily automated using conditional orders to purchase option contracts at the market price. And I have a section on conditional orders below. As a general rule, I take the time frame and multiply it by 2 to pick my expiry date. For example, on the weekly chart, I generally get 2 weeks out, and on the monthly charts, I at least 2 months out. All right. Here are some charts, but let me show you the last one we took. So the last one we took here, guys, was on the daily chart. Remember, we talked about this in detail last week. We had this outside bar right here. So we already made money on that outside bar, guys. We already did. So while everybody was scratching their heads, we already made money. So this trigger trade that I showed you was an entry for a swing trade and for a day trade. So if I go here to the SPY swing trades, you're going to see it right here. Okay. This was the swing trade posted on December 30th. We got the January 14th expiry, and we got the 476 puts, and we entered short at 476.00. So we already hit that for a day trade, made some money. We already closed at the lows. So we're going to see if this wants to continue lower. We're already in a good position to continue to make money on the swing trades. All right. So does that make sense? Does that swing trade make sense? That whole thing I just wrote, and with a real-time strategy that we just took. What do you guys think? Yes, I am swing trading these puts still. So I had puts for day trade and for swing. The day trade is already closed, but the swing trade is, we're continuing on with that, right? So very simple, guys. Like, we don't have to complicate things, man. We look for the pattern. We trade the pattern. That's it. You know, somebody was mentioning the other day, like when I posted this, oh, we're going to all-time highs. We're going to all-time highs, blah, blah, blah. But guys, just remember this. I have a plan if we break to the upside and a plan if we break to the downside. I let the chart tell me what to do. So right here on the first 5-minute bar, when we were hugging the lows, that's when I decided to take the short. If we were hugging the highs, I would be looking to take the long, but we didn't. So I let the price action tell me what to do. And that's the best way to trade objectively as a trader. All right, guys? And again, that is in the SPY Options Mastery book, S&P 500 Options Mastery. This is probably my best book ever because it focuses on one specific stock that I've been trading for the last 7 years, which is this S&P 500, okay? So grab a copy of this, guys. Let me go ahead and post the link one more time in here. This is for if you guys were on the priority list, right? If you were on the priority list, then you're going to get a 10% off code right here. I'm telling you right now, okay? I just sent it in the chat, 10% off, right? So make sure. Okay, guys, thank you. Just hit me with some questions now. Does anybody have any questions about swing trading? Hit me with some questions. Let's take some questions. Always let the chart tell you what to do. If you ever feel emotional about something, you did something wrong. You know, there's so many times that I had played stocks that I never thought would do well, but they do. They've shocked me and done very well. And that's when I've learned that it's not about which analyst upgrades what. It's not about which person says what. It's about taking the trades and letting the price action dictate. Okay, strike selections. So for the strike is always one strike out of the money, always, right? So if we go here, you could see. So in this case, we entered at 476, so we took the 476 puts. But we're always trying to go one strike away because we're looking for the next target, okay? When do you begin to scale out on a swing? I have targets here where I start to scale out. I always place the targets. These are based on Fibonacci. Scale in or go heavy first. I don't scale in unless I'm doing a Fibonacci trade. I normally just go with the full size right away. How do you bounce back from some losses? You just got to keep trading. You have to keep trading. Okay. Always keep trading. You just got to keep going. It's just like playing a math game. You just keep going. It's like rolling the dice. If you want to win, you got to keep rolling the dice. The moment you stop rolling the dice is the moment you lose. How do you scan for other stocks? I have scanners in my Discord that I use. How do you determine how much time? I just read that in the book, brother. It's always 2 weeks. It's usually 2 weeks out. So like wherever the time frame's on, at least multiply it by 2. At least. Small account recommendations, trade micro future contracts, grab a copy of my book. That's a recommendation because I talk about how to trade micro future contracts in my book. Number of contracts depends on your account size. Always relative to your account size, guys. So if you're doing like a full risk type of strategy, so like let's say you put in 400 bucks on puts and you're willing for the puts to go to zero, right? If you're doing that, then you need to at least get 50% return generally, at least. Because then otherwise you're risking too much and you're not getting enough return. Always try to use a trailing stop loss where you can, based on the stock. Never use a trailing stop loss based on the options, because those are very volatile. But like, for example, with these puts, right, what we can do now is we can put a trailing stop loss at the high. So we entered short at 476. The high of the day on Friday is 476.86. So now we can use that as our trailing stop. So for example, if we come and we turn around and we break 476.86, right, then we can go ahead and get out of position. Win rate on the swing trades have been about 70% this year. 70% this year. You know, it changes, right? I'm not promising anything, that's for sure. But it definitely changes. We're almost at the target here. We're almost at the target for this swing, for the first target, for the partial targets. All right. All right, guys, look, we're going to be doing a big giveaway stream tomorrow, so I don't want to ruin that. I just really wanted to come on here and let you guys know that the SPY Options Master Book is released. And I feel really bad that that a lot of you didn't get the email because your email provider rejected it. Like, I got a lot of emails that said undeliverable. So I'm guessing that my email that I sent you guys with the code is being flagged as spam in your provider. So I apologize for that. So I just wanted to make sure I go here and clean that up with you guys. All right. So look, tomorrow we're going to have the big giveaway stream. This was just a little taste of it. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So make sure you grab a copy of the book, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking attendance. All right. I'm going to be taking attendance. I'm going to be seeing who brought their book. All right. Bring your book tomorrow. Bring your pen, and we're going to be taking some extra notes. Tomorrow I'm going to do a special stream because tomorrow tomorrow might be the last day for the SPY options mastery streams and all of that. We might move on to a different topic. So tomorrow I'm going to do a lot of detail. So get the book and bring the pen so you can take your notes. All right. So I'm out, guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. Catch you tomorrow for the big celebration stream. All right. Don't forget to grab a copy of the book. Help support me, guys, so I'll keep doing these and keep sharing the secrets. All right. Thank you very much. Take care.